Jyun Magnetism has 15 years of experience in manufacturing neodymium magnet, permanent magnets, fridge magnet, rubber magnet, flexible magnet, magnetic sheet, and so on. We have a factory which covers an area of about 5,000 square meters and manned approximately 100 personnel. Our annual output can reach 5,000 tons. We are also Coca-Cola and Toto trusted supplier. All of our products have passed SGS, ROHS, and EN71 test. We also provide customer design support and OEM and ODM service. Our magnets are widely used for speaker, motor, wind turbine, electro-acoustic products, household, promotion gift, exhibition, and well sold in USA, Japan, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Relying on a large number of full automatic and semi-automatic production equipment, our processes ensure a consistent high quality of product and service. We can use our knowledge and skills to provide competitive solutions to satisfy our customer needs.